Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Party popper when it comes to the best foldable phones, Samsung is usually the first name that comes up. But lately, the competition is heating up with devices like the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold and the Huawei Mate X-T pushing the envelope. It's clear that Samsung needs to step up its game to stay on top. Mobile phone fire. Current state of foldables, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is great, but it's more of an evolution rather than a revolutionary leap forward. While it boasts solid updates like AI features and improved durability, it still feels like it's holding back in some areas. The Fold 7 is coming and Samsung needs to show us something next level. Camera critique. One major talking point for the Fold 6 is its camera. Starting at $1,900, you'd expect a top-tier setup, but it falls short compared to the Galaxy S24. For that price, it's shocking not to have flagship standard cameras. The Fold's target audience are power users who care about performance and cameras. If Samsung wants the Fold 7 to be a true flagship, it needs to up the ante with top-notch camera sensors. Crease concerns. Everyone nitpicks about the crease in foldable phones. While the Galaxy Z Flip 6 minimizes it well, the Fold 6 still has a noticeable line. With the Fold 7, Samsung should aim to make the crease almost invisible, providing a sleek and premium experience. Portability issues. The Fold 6, though impressive, feels bulky when folded. The Honor Magic V3 is the thinnest foldable at 9.5 mm closed, nearly the same as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung should aim for a 10 mm thick Fold 7, making it pocket-friendly without compromising durability. Battery life. The Fold 6 is powerful, but its 4,400 mAh battery feels small for its massive screen and power-hungry tasks. A 5,000 mAh battery should be the minimum for the Fold 7, especially as Samsung slims down its devices. Battery. Future prospects. There are whispers about a Fold Ultra variant, potentially launching in summer 2025. Whether it's an even thinner version or a tri-screen device, Samsung needs to deliver something groundbreaking. Should you wait for the Fold 7? If you want the latest and greatest, it might be worth holding out. However, the Fold 6 remains an incredible phone with 7 years of software updates. Conclusion. Samsung is under pressure to elevate the foldable game with the Fold 7. If you can't wait, the Fold 6 is still a beast and a great investment. What do you think? Are you excited for the Fold 7, or are you happy with the Fold 6? Drop your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Catch you in the next one. Take care.